4 mole of mixture of more salt and Fe2SO4 thrice requires 500 ml of 1 molar K2Cr2O7 for complete oxidation in acidic medium. The mole percentage of more salt in the mixture is how much? Let us see. K2Cr2O7 in acid medium is an oxidizing agent, which oxidizes only only ferrous salts, not ferric salts. Ferrous is Fe plus 2, does not oxidize Fe plus 3. So according to this, if I know this point, K2Cr2O7 only oxidizes more salt, oxidizes completely or only more salt, but not Fe2SO4 thrice. This is the point. More salt is a ferrous salt which will be oxidized to ferric salts Fe3 plus, whose valency factor is equals to 1, where K2Cr2O7, if I am taking K2Cr2O7, it will be converting from Cr2O7 2 minus to Cr3 plus, where the valency factor is changing from plus 6 to plus 3, which is equals to 3 into 2, 6. Valency factor 6. Now milliequivalence of KMnO4 is equals to milliequivalence of more salt. If I take this concept, milliequivalence of KMnO4 is normality into volume, which can also be written as molarity into valency factor into volume, which is equals to milliequivalence of salt, more salt, where molarity is given as 1, valency factor 6, volume is given 500 ml, which will be equals to milliequivalence of salt, which is 3000 milliequivalence is the milliequivalence of more salt. So I can write this 3 zeros and milli gets cancelled, which can be said equivalence of more salt is equals to 3 equivalents. Now since we know in the question we have seen that valency factor Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 3, we have seen the valency factor is equals to 1. We know that number of equivalents is equals to number of moles of more salt. Number of equivalents is equals to number of moles of more salt. So according to this concept, number of moles, if I am taking, number of moles is equals to, we have number of equivalents is equals to 3. So I can say directly this as 3 moles. Out of 4 moles, the percentage mole of more salt, can be taken as number of moles of salt by number of moles of mixture into 100. Salt is 3 moles, mixture is 4 into 100, which comes to be 75%. So the 75% is the mole fraction or the percentage fraction of moles.